Hey everyone, I'm Keisha, Charmaine, and I'm back. In today's video, I want to talk about children and locks. More specifically, locking your child's hair. Have you locked your children's hair? So the reason why I'm making this video is because I saw this discussion occurring on TikTok and I kind of wanted to bring it over to YouTube and see how you all felt about the subject. First, I want to preface by saying, at the end of the day, no one can really say what you should or shouldn't do with your child's hair. That is your child, and you have the right to parent your child the way you choose, right? I don't have any children, and my opinion is based completely on observation, and I'm really curious to hear what your opinions are. So leave me a comment below and let me know if you have any kids and do you lock their hair? Maybe you don't have any kids yet. Do you want to lock your future kids' hair? The subject seems to be pretty polarizing. My stance is I'm perfectly okay with my child, my hypothetical child, getting locks. However, I probably would not lock my child's hair until they reach a certain age, and that age is probably around 6. And the reason why I choose that age is because, well, a 6-year-old is still a little kid. Typically, their idea of fun doesn't involve them rolling around on the floor and getting their hair dusty. And little children, toddlers, and babies do like to crawl on the floor and roll around on the floor and get lint in their hair. And lint is the bane of our existence when it comes to having locks and maintaining locks, right? I remember this was about 10 years ago, a little less than 10 years ago. My hair was bright red at the time. I was walking across the street while another woman was walking across the street, crossing my path, and she stopped me in the middle of the street. We have the light, so it's safe, but she stopped me in the middle of the street and she says, "Oh my gosh, I love your locks, they're so beautiful." I'm like, "Thank you." She goes on to ask me if I had any advice for her child's hair. I look at her child. She actually had a stroller. Her child was probably about 2 years old. I look at her child's hair and he had locks full of lint from the root to tips. And I had never seen anything like that before. It didn't look like product buildup. It looked like lint. And my jaw kind of dropped, and I didn't really have any advice in that moment because the pressure of us crossing the street, at this point the light was blinking, so it's time to cross. I don't remember what I said to her, but I know I didn't give her any advice. But looking back, I would have told her to comb his locks out and start over because it was ridiculous. And I can only imagine how his hair got that linty from him playing around, I'm sure. So me personally, I would probably wait to lock my child's hair. Well, first of all, I would probably ask my kid if they want locks. I'm not sure if that would necessarily be my preferred method of maintaining my child's hair. I don't know. I would have to see. Honestly, that's something that I would have to experience firsthand to see, because maybe I would want to cut their hair or braid their hair or do something else with their hair other than locks. I don't know. I would have to see firsthand. But I would also definitely ask them, oh, do they want locks like mommy and daddy? And if they said yes, then I would probably, wait till they get that age and then lock their hair. But I probably would not lock it before. And I shouldn't put a number on that age. I really should just observe my child and see, okay, my kid is not rolling around in the dirt anymore. So it's okay for me to go ahead and lock it up now. And that might be a little younger, that might be a little older. You never know, right? You never know. So those are my thoughts on the subject. I would love to know your opinions and your thoughts and feelings, whether it be your own kids, your hypothetical kids like mine, or just when it comes to like observing other people's kids. Not that it's our place, but this is conversation, right? We're just sharing ideas. Thank you so much for watching. In just a few days, we are shipping our Love, Light, and Locks products. Our monthly drop is occurring from the 15th through the 18th. So definitely shop now and get your Nurture with Nature box for the Horsehead Leaf Growth Oil, the Rosewater Moisturizer, and the refill, and the Emu Oil Growth Drops. Claim yours now. And also we do have an ongoing sale right now For the head wraps, buy 2, get 1 free. No code needed, automatic discount. Just add 3 of your desired head wraps to your cart. All right? Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.